In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear, hit voice typing, and tap on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. Then just start typing. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!